Ever wondered how calories affect your weight? Let's dive into the fascinating world of calories. Picture them as tiny units of energy. This energy is the fuel our bodies need to carry out vital functions, from the beating of our hearts to the firing of our neurons. It's also the energy we burn during our daily activities, whether we're running a marathon or simply brewing a pot of coffee. Now, where do we get these calories? The answer is simple: from the food we eat and the drinks we consume. Every bite of apple, every sip of milk, every morsel of chicken provides your body with calories. But remember, not all calories are created equal. A calorie from a sugary soda isn't the same as one from a protein-packed lean steak. In essence, a calorie is nothing more than a measure of energy, and our bodies need this energy to function. But how does your body manage these calories? A great question, and it all comes down to the energy balance equation. Before we dive in, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our content. Now let's get back to it. This equation, simply put, is the balance between the calories we take in through food and drink and the calories we burn through physical activity. Imagine your body as a high-functioning machine that requires fuel to run efficiently. The fuel in this case is the calories we consume. Just like a car's gas tank, if you put in more fuel than the machine needs, it will store the excess for later use. This is where the concept of weight gain and loss comes in. If you consume more calories than your body needs or can burn off, the surplus calories get stored as fat, leading to weight gain. On the flip side, if you consume fewer calories than your body burns, your body will start burning stored fat to make up for the deficit, leading to weight loss. However, it's not just about losing weight, but also maintaining a healthy weight. If you consume the same number of calories as your body burns, you'll maintain your current weight. This is called energy balance. The magic lies in finding the right balance for your body, taking into consideration your lifestyle, physical activity, and health goals. It's all about understanding your body's needs and meeting them appropriately. So, the secret to weight management lies in understanding and controlling this energy balance. Dreaming of losing weight? Here's the secret. Create a calorie deficit. What does this mean? Well, in the simplest terms, a calorie deficit happens when you burn more calories than you consume. Picture it like a bank account. If you spend more than you deposit, you're in a deficit. Same goes for your body and calories. This deficit is a crucial part of weight loss. A larger deficit may lead to faster weight loss, but it's vital to maintain a balance. A deficit too large can be unsustainable and even harmful. So it's about finding that sweet spot. Think of it as a sliding scale. The larger the calorie deficit, the quicker the weight loss. But remember, it's not just about rapid loss, it's about sustainable, healthy changes. So keep it balanced and make sure your body gets the nutrients it needs. Remember, a calorie deficit is the key to shedding those extra pounds. But how can you control your calorie intake and create a deficit, you may ask? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Firstly, remember that your calorie needs vary based on several factors. These include your age, sex, weight, and activity level. For instance, a young active male may need more calories than an older sedentary female. There are numerous online calculators that can help you estimate your daily calorie needs based on these factors. Next, it's crucial to track your calorie intake. This can be as simple as keeping a food diary or using a mobile app. These tools can help you understand how much you're eating and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, the goal is not to starve yourself, but to create a small, sustainable calorie deficit. Also, consider making small changes to your diet and exercise habits. You might swap a high-calorie snack for a piece of fruit or take a short walk after dinner. These changes may seem minor, but over time they can have a significant impact on your calorie balance. And finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Weight loss is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take towards controlling your calories is a victory worth celebrating. Understanding calories and energy balance can empower you to take control of your weight and health. So take that first step today, and remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. Great! You've taken your first step towards understanding calories and managing your weight. Now, it's time to become a part of our supportive community. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more content like this. And that's not all. We are excited to offer you our free Keto Kickstart program. This program is designed to help you dive deeper into a healthy lifestyle. It includes 19 delicious keto recipes and personalized meal plans tailored to your unique calorie needs. This is a fantastic resource for those who are interested in exploring the keto diet, or for anyone just wanting to shake up their meal plans. So, don't miss out on this great opportunity. To sign up, simply click on the link in the description below. Let's continue learning and growing together on this journey towards better health and well-being. Remember, every step counts, and we are here to support you every step of the way.